welcome to another edition of Quick Video Tips. Today we are going to be covering how to use a drip test to analyze your spray pattern. So the first thing I want you to do is set your gun to a horizontal pattern, either by rotating the air cap or turning the gun sideways. Okay? Set your gun at the appropriate distance. For that, it is HVLP 6 to 8 inches, conventional air spray 8 to 10, air assist airless 10 to 12, and airless 12 to 14. Okay? So what we're going to start out with, hopefully, is a normal pattern. Spray it long enough that you know it's going to drip. If it's uniformly wet throughout the pattern, your pattern should be drips pretty well most of the way across the pattern. Your pattern should be a nice symmetrical, same on both sides, uniform film. Next we will look at a center wet pattern, which is typically caused by one of several things, either not enough air pressure, too much fluid pressure, which is the normal cause, or a fluid tip that is too small in diameter or too small in size. Okay, the third and last thing we're going to cover is a split pattern. Now, a split pattern normally results from either too much air pressure, which is the normal cause, not enough fluid pressure, or a fluid tip that is too large in diameter. So to summarize, we're looking for a uniform film build. Every painter should get in the habit of checking his pattern at the beginning of every shift, making sure the pattern is uniformly wet, it's not skewed to one side or the other, that it's working properly. Now, in this case, you can see we've got a pattern that's kind of shaped like a banana. Okay? This obviously is going to be very difficult to get a uniform film build, hence very difficult to get the quality you're looking for. The easiest way to troubleshoot this is to rotate your cap 180 degrees and give another test pattern. If the pattern changes, which it did in this case, the problem is the air cap, and it either needs to be replaced or cleaned. If the problem didn't change, then you've got a problem with the fluid tip and or needle. Okay? So to summarize, we're looking for a nice, uniform, symmetrical pattern. This kind of pattern here makes it very difficult to get a uniform film build.